Welcome back, ladies, gents, and my non-binary friends. Today I'm going to be working on a ruler, one of those large rulers to measure kid heights as they grow. As you can see right now, I am adding the markers, I guess you can say, and I did half an inch, and then a foot. Those were the three different dashes I made, and they were according to height. So like the half inch was like an inch and a quarter, the inch was about 2 inches and a half long, and the foot one was obviously longer. I put my tape measure down, and that's how I marked those down on there for you guys, for my friend. This is a gift that I'm making for my friend for her kid's birthday party. So yeah, I used plywood. You can just see me adjusting the lines here. It was a very short, quick video. Hope you guys like it. There's a lot of time lapses in this. There's not a whole lot of talking. And yeah, like I said, enjoy. Hope you like. Subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you ring the bell. And share the video if it's something you're into, you think your friend's gonna be into. Okay, all done with the cord. Now I'm just gonna sand. I'm gonna use my Unita sandpaper. I'm gonna use 180, and then I'll do 220. Should be good to go. girl out is subscribe to this YouTube channel. If not for me, do it for this face. How can you say no to this face? Look at that. Subscribe to my mommy's channel, please. Please. Help her buy me more milk bones. I only work for milk bones.